working at Fairfield Hospital. I'm doing my share, girl. What's up with you? What you been up to, girl? You look good. 3 kids? What? 3 husbands? What? Oh my God, your life is disaster, girl. Oh my God, I haven't known that. I'm well educated, fucking 33 years old, and I'm doing my thing. What? I'm not the disaster what I am. You are the disaster one. You know what? You are freaking 33 years old, still single, and you're talking about my disaster life? Girl, you need a man. I have beautiful kids. Look what I have life. Bye, girl. What? What she talking about? What? Did she just call me 33 years old lady? I need to get married. I need a man in my life. Why is she saying that to me? Oh my God. She's maybe telling the truth. I have 3 kids with no